Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Samira Sharif. Okay guys, so as you have seen in our previous video, we have reached Belgrade and also this is going to be our last night in Belgrade. It is just noon here. So we are stepping out and we'll see if we can go out for shopping and explore things here in Belgrade before we leave. So yeah, let's go. Guys, we have reached the mall here. So basically I want to buy some gifts for Ayan, Prince and Ira. And of course Aman. So they are on the main priority list because they are the kids in the family. So I thought we'll go to the toy store here and see if we can get some gifts for them. So let's go and shop. And also Anwar Jan is very busy talking to his very own best friend Syed Rahmat, the man behind our relationship, the one who made our relationship happen. So yeah, Anwar Jan finally wants to get into Starbucks, which he has been asking since like the first day of ours in Belgrade. Let's go get some coffee. Okay, so now that we've ordered our coffees, let me take you to the tumblers that they have, and you guys know how much I love mugs and tumblers. But if I buy something and take home, Mom and Reshma auntie are gonna kick me out of the home. So it's better I control all my emotions. Look at this beautiful bottle, this beautiful zipper. I really wish if I could get them. But just with the due respect towards Mom, Reshma auntie and my mama, I am not going to stock up more on these bottles with a very heavy heart.
What happened?
I am telling them how beautiful these bottles are and I am not buying them.
Oh my god, guys, don't ask me. There's a shopping mall of these bottles in my home.
That's what I told you. If I buy, Mom and Reshma auntie will kick me out of the home.
No, first I will only not buy here.
Okay, so yeah, now that we called for our coffee, let's finally have some coffee in the Starbucks at Belgrade. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a while. Okay, so looks like our coffee is ready. Is that ours? Let me see the names.
Flat white and thank you. Again. No, this time I choose to take small one. So this time I chose to take a small one, not like the Dubai airport, if you've been following the vlogs. Because, no, I chose to take the small one because I'm very sleepy and if I drink this, I cannot sleep in the night. So just for feeling good, I'm having this. And if you are a coffee lover, try Flat White and Starbucks. Super strong coffee. But if you don't like the taste of the coffee, if you're a sugary person with the chocolate and all, then please don't try this coffee, please. Okay? What do you say, Samira Sharif? Yes, guys, Flat White is amazing, but I am having a hot toffee nut latte, and I always choose the big one, but in Dubai I chose the medium size tumbler. But now I am having my coffee or the latte in venti. Ta-da, ta-da. Look at Anwar Jan's tumbler, papam. Okay guys, now let's enjoy the coffee. मैडम, कप का साइज नहीं, दिल बड़ा होना चाहिए.
कॉफी के लिए दिल बड़ा होना. How did that make sense?
जब आपका दिल बड़ा होना, प्लेट कितनी भी छोटी हो, पेट भर जाता है.
ओके, तो जब आपका दिल बड़ा हो, सर्दी बाहर जितनी भी हो, आंग में गर्मी बढ़ जाती है. Okay guys, I'm just getting too cheesy. I think I'll see you guys after some time.
So Samira Sharif is going to the toy store. Yes, Samira?
Yes.
What is the toy store's name?
Dixie? Dixico.
So that's the toy store. You know, we have kids at home. If it is not expensive, we're gonna buy something. If it is expensive, we are not going to buy. Correct?
Let's go explore the store and see what we can find for them. If this is something like what we have Hamley in India, then doesn't make any sense. Yeah, now let me shop. Anurjan, please entertain them.
When I was a kid, I loved cars. I know almost everybody do that. But I was crazy and had great collection of cars. So nothing was brought by us. Everything was a gift to me, given by several good people. But the cars were really amazing. So whenever I come to the kids store, I feel like buying them. And I had few collection in the room, right? What happened? Madam, what happened? I had some collection in the room, no? The small cars, where is it?
You gave it to Prince. You gave it to Prince. You gave it to Prince.
What did Prince do then?
I don't know.
Okay. Even now, if you come to my room, you can find small cutie cars, different type of cars. I search for them.
Okay.
I select and buy. Yeah.
Can I have the mic?
Yes, please.
So before Anwarjan says no to this, let me tell, this is available in India for 4,700 and change, approximately 4,800. But here it is for 3,499, which is very, very cheap.
Hope the customs let us carry this along with us. So, yeah, just wanted to share that, you know, how much I love to come to toy stores. Suddenly you start feeling like a kid, right? Even though you're so grown up and you're doing so much of stuff, but you cannot run away from the kid within you. What do you do to explore the kid within you?
I do Zid, and Anwarjan fulfills and satisfies the kid in me.
We cannot remove the mask because we are in the mall. They don't allow us to remove the mask. But there's a cute stuff for girls. See, all pink. My sister would love to have this. And that's me. Hi. Samira Sharif is damn busy. Madam, what you doing?
One for Ayan and one for Prince. They both are big fans of Spider-Man. So these are the black Spider-Man mask. And also this comes like this. So that is very fantasizing. And also the other day when Ayan was speaking to Anwarjan, he was telling that he wants black mask. And he was telling Anwarjan, it opens up. Yes, it opens up. So he wanted this particular mask. So I'm buying two for my two bachas in the house.
If it is available in India, why are you taking from here?
Because it is available for close to 5,000, which doesn't make any sense. I mean, spending 5,000 for this is very big amount. Alright guys, so finally I picked the mask that I wanted to pick. And I hope the kids like it. And also I picked one tiny... no, not required. We'll put it in this one. And also we picked a tiny mic for Ira. So Anwarjan's billing. And I'm happy and glad that I'm very happy and glad that I got the mask, because I really wanted to buy that for them. Yeah, I can't wait to see the kids excited. So now we are going out. We would be walking on the streets of Belgrade again. That street was amazing. And also Anwarjan sang a song for me. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link it right here. Go and check it out right now. Jan, icebox. Let's have icebox.
Let's have chicken box. Come. I'll show you. This cold weather, chicken will give you heat, ice cream will give you cold. So have chicken box, don't have ice cream box. Look at that.
ముళ్ళుతోనే తీయాలి.
Lollu tullu em kaadu, da chicken box in the.
I don't want chicken.
I'm hungry and this bloody girl is just not bothered about that.
I want ice box.
Chicken box.
So after we take chicken box ka chicken, we'll go take ice box ka ice. Okay, I just want to quickly show you guys the overview of the street. Ta-da, ta-da.
One important information: whenever you're coming to Europe, you'll find such cafes. Can you please switch the
I just
camera?
showed them.
You showed them. You'll find such cafes, and those cafes will have heater outside, which will provide you enough heat to sit there and dine in. So don't misunderstand that with the light. Those are heaters, and that's the beauty of this place. It's, even though it is cold, you can comfortably sit in a cafe and finish your meal. For example, you can look at that place. Yeah, you can see fire there. Okay, that is so comfortable. It'll keep you warm. So wherever you go in the Europe, you'll find this in the cafes. And another important information is that whichever mall or shop you go, it's going to be warm. So if you feel too cold, you just walk into the mall like Samira do always.
No, we did this same in Zurich the last time. So when we were feeling, Zurich was very cold. So when we were feeling very cold, we were like, chalo chalo mall mein ghuste hain. Like how people,
Yeah.
at least there are many who do this in Hyderabad. During summers, if it is very hot outside, what they do is they just go into the mall because there's AC and it is cold inside. Likewise here, people step in for some warm...
Yeah, and the best part is it's warm everywhere. Even though if it is a small supermarket, you'll find it hot and warm. Not
Even
only
a
your normal
small
shop,
store, huh?
any small store also you'll find it hot and warm.
Okay guys, so Anwar Jan is gone to get some food for himself, and let's wait and see if he gets me an ice cream, because the other day he was asking me if I'm interested in having an ice cream at Novi Sad, but I forgot my jacket. I didn't forget, I purposely didn't take my jacket thinking it wouldn't be cold. So, and it was obviously very cold, so that is why I did not have ice cream there. But I wish to have an ice cream here. Let's see if I have or if I get to have. So stay tuned to know that. Guys, I'm chatting with you live just to let you know that it is me who chats with you. And also I spare time to chat with you guys while my video is being aired. So please watch all my videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also we have our chicken box. Ta-da, ta-da. That's for Anwar Jan. As I already told you, I would be having the ice cream box. I hope, inshallah. So yeah, I hope I get to eat the ice cream box. There's music playing behind, guys. So I'm dancing onto that music. Guys, multitasking, huh? Samira is finally multitasking. Vlogging, feeding my husband, and also chatting live with you guys. What a multitasker I am. Appreciating my own work and effort.
On the streets of Karamagdan, Belgrade city center.
Okay guys, so we will finish our chicken box, and please pray for me that I should get my ice box, and see you guys when we get our ice box.
Guys, we're done with the chicken box and waiting for Samira Sharif. She loved that so much, she was licking her fingers there. Enough, Samira, come. Let's go. As I promised, we'll go for your... what box was that?
Ice box.
Ice box. Okay. Done with ice cream box and going to ice box.
Done with chicken box.
Oh, sorry. Done with chicken box and going to ice box. Okay. Guys, this is dead cheap. This is considered as street food because you're on the Kalamagdan street. So this is damn cheap. Don't need to bother about the price because it is very cheap. Indian
And
currency.
damn delicious.
And delicious also. Yes, agreed. And Indian currency, it would be 150 rupees. You got whatever you want. So let's see what ice box has for Samira. Hi.
Namaste, India.
Okay, Samira. Everywhere only tiramisu.
What?
Everywhere only tiramisu.
Tiramisu is my favorite. So I'll taste tiramisu and then decide if I'll take tiramisu or chocolate. This is chocolate, right? Chocolate and can I taste chocolate and Ferrero? 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! So that's my yummy-licious ice cream, which has the caramel, tiramisu and chocolate. Thank you, Anwar Jan. I love you.
I'm gonna have mango.
Tiny, small as usual. Papa Anwar Jan. Small scoop. Guys, finally in this cold weather, we are having an ice cream, and this time Anwar Jan also is having, which is a news.
Just because she let me have chicken box, I said okay to ice box.
Cream. Okay, now let's go enjoy the ice cream in the cold weather. Bye. Guys, we have been walking around the street after having the ice cream, and also it is drizzling. If you can see, it's all wet. And we are at
Republic Square.
We are at Republic Square, guys. And also we clicked few pictures. And now we are planning to go and have some Indian food. And looking for a taxi. Anwar Jan is trying to figure out the taxi. We have an app. So we have an app here,
Yandex,
just like
Yandex.
Ola and Uber. Call
Yandex Go.
Yandex Go. So
YANDEXGO.
Yandex Go. So if you're traveling to Belgrade or Serbia, actually in Belgrade, this is not
Only in Belgrade.
Yeah, this is not
Nowhere else.
available in the other cities that we
Not
visited.
available in Zlatibor, not available in Novi Sad, not available in Zlatibor, not available.
So basically, it's available only in Belgrade. So in case if you're traveling to Belgrade, you can download this app and use the cab services. Now, why are we hiring cab? Because we are planning to go to an Indian restaurant. We haven't decided yet. We haven't figured it out.
I'm missing rice.
Guys, he ate rice yesterday, last night.
Not that. Hello?
So he has been cooking. So I told him, Aji pakao. So he's like, free mein you got the chef to itta pakwate kya?
Taxi, yeah.
So I'm sure, we already had in this restaurant called Diwali, and obviously the food isn't as good as Indian food, but it is like heavenly when compared to the food here. So that is why also Anwar Jan wants a break from the kitchen. So he's not cooking today, and we are going to this restaurant quickly.
To be really frank, kind of tired, and as this is our last day in Belgrade, so I thought I'll take a break and not cook and chill, go eat outside. So I think that's good, right? At times you can take a break. Not always you work on the budgets, cut down your cost. Last day, few hours left, so that's good.
Yeah.
You anyways won't eat anything. I'm alone gonna eat food, so the bill is also going to be only somewhere around 500 or 600 dinar. Yeah, so not much to worry about, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So we'll get into the cab and see you guys while we are reaching Hotel Diwali. Alright guys, so we have reached the restaurant. Let me get into the light. Okay guys, so we have reached the restaurant, and this is the cab that we were talking about, the Yandex Go. So that's the Yandex Go, and where is the restaurant? So because the last time when we came to Diwali, I did not have any voice recorded in the video, so I thought I should have a proper vlog and show you guys what they have to eat here in Diwali, the only Indian restaurant which is open now in Belgrade. So the other day we were sitting here on this table, and now maybe we will sit here.
Bhatte, how are you? Can we sit here? Yeah. This is 100% pure Coca-Cola only.
Original
Yeah, original Coca-Cola. Nothing is mixed. I don't drink alcohol. I don't encourage people to drink alcohol. So if you find somebody drinking, please stop them. If you can't stop them, just ignore them. And you don't drink and don't encourage alcohol. Cheers. But you can do this with the cool drink. Cheers.
And guys, as I told, someone who very sincerely watches all my YouTube videos is my husband. He's watching today's video, which is our apartment tour in Belgrade and the birthday celebrations. So if you haven't watched that video, I will link it right there in the I-bar. So go and check it out. And yeah, we've called for chicken biryani and some raita. Yeah, that's it. So we'll see you once our food arrives, and quickly taking you guys through the ambience. This is how the restaurant looks. So it gives the Indian dhaba vibe here in Belgrade. If you see, this is how it looks. Ta-da, ta-da. So yeah, now we are waiting for our food. So here's my Fanta. And if you see, their orange juices are very much yellow in color. Allah knows why. And the tradition of living this much in the bottle, I don't like. I pour everything in my glass.
Fanta and Coca-Cola, cheers.
Cheers. Who else likes drinking cold items in this cold? Of course, we have heaters here, but still, at times it's okay. We drink aerated drinks only when we are on a vacation because we don't have anything else to drink here. So here's our biryani and also some raita. So they don't basically serve biryani with raita. We'll have to call for additional raita. Yes, Anwarjan, you can serve chicken biryani in Belgrade.
So guys, basically it looks like our biryani, but definitely there will be a small change in the taste that you have to be mentally prepared. But this is 1,000 times better than the food we get outside, which is not Indian. There are a few fake restaurants which sell Indian food in the name of Indian food, but it's not Indian food actually.
So yeah, we'll have our dinner and see you guys. Oh, by the way, the time here is just 6:17. But this is the time that we eat here. So we'll have our dinner and see you guys. Alright guys, we are back to our apartment, and also we picked few things apart from the gifts that I got for Ayan, Prince and Ira. Let me quickly show you guys what all I picked. So the first one that I have, it's this Spider-Man mask. So I tried to get these on Amazon and it retailed for rupees 4,700 and change, close to 4,800, but I found these here and in Indian currency it costed me only 2,700 approximately, so that's a steal comparatively. So yes, I got two of these. Then I got this cute little toy for Ira, and this one retailed for rupees 560 in Indian currency. Then I've been meaning to have this layered neck piece, and this one I picked from H&M and retailed for rupees 900 approximately in Indian currency. And I am so happy that I finally got one for myself, because since very long, even when I used to visit H&M in Hyderabad, I would think, rethink and then not buy. But today I somehow thought, let's pick it up, and that's how I got this layered neck piece. And then we also have one casual tee for Anwarjan, which retailed for rupees 450 only in Indian currency. It's a very casual t-shirt. Then I picked this beautiful orange, neon orange sweatshirt, and this one retailed for rupees 1,120 only, and it is very, very cozy, guys. And the last thing that we have is this sweatshirt, and this one retailed for rupees 1,270. It's a very casual white color sweatshirt which has a broad neck, like off shoulder kind of a neck going around. And yeah, that's all that we picked today. So I think I'll end this vlog right here and see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Until I'll see you next, lots of love.